Intake manifolds on Indians are notorious for leaking. Pay close attention to all the little details. Make sure the surface here is flat. Make sure there's no crack between these two areas here. And likewise down here, sometimes they crack to the outside. Make sure these surfaces, the spigot surfaces, where the cones sit on, should be about no smaller than 1.497 of an inch. Get smaller than that, the cones don't do a good job of sealing. Check that that's not out of round, and also there's no grooves in it. If any doubt, just replace it. Replace the intake manifold cones with this PEEK material. This is a PEEK material we use. It withstands high temperature, high compression forces from the nut being tightened down. The original one here is brass. That was a material of choice back in that era. It doesn't comply too well to irregular surfaces. Just make sure the cone fits this way. A lot of bikes that we have coming here actually have them around the wrong way. And the nut will fit like so. You can see there's a taper down there that rests up against the taper here. Make sure the intake manifold is centered between the cylinders. Once the nuts you get them, just nip them up, maybe to about somewhere around there on both sides. If one's way off like that, just tap the manifold either this way or that way to center it. Make sure your intake manifold gasket is a 1/16 of an inch thick. Some people make them, they cut one size fits all for the gasket set for the Indians. It's bad. It has to be a 1/16 of an inch. But the best upgrade you can do is put these PEEK intake manifold cones on.